cleaning tools I cannot live without. An electric scrub brush has changed my cleaning game. I no longer have to bend down to scrub the tubs, showers, tile, grout, or any other areas of my home, which has saved both my back and my knees. And when I want a smaller option, these drill attachment scrub brushes are my go-to. Slide them into any electric drill and clean just about any surface with no effort. Plus, it can be used to get into hard-to-reach areas and when cleaning dishes. The Bissell Upholstery Spot Cleaner has saved more than just my couch. Use it to clean or freshen up any fabric surface, such as furniture, indoor and out, carpets, rugs, and so much more. Plus, it's perfect for cleaning up spills from all that wine. My Tineco wet dry vacuum has cut my cleaning time in half by picking up both wet and dry messes at the same time, so I can ditch my mop bucket and my broom. Plus, why should I have to do more work after that? I don't, because it self-cleans and dries, so no sticky mop pads here. See caption for discount code. These dusting sponges have been my obsession because they pick up and lock in the dust instead of just pushing it onto the ground like a traditional duster. Plus, they can clean any area in my home, no matter the texture or material. And save money because they simply rinse off and can be reused forever. See the caption for product links and follow for more cleaning tips.